this video, I'll show you how you can subscribe and save money when getting the correct replacement water filters and UV lamps delivered right to your door when you need them and at a discount. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy, and I simplify water filtration to help you conquer crappy water for your family. Ever have someone on your case about replacing your water filters? You know, suddenly the water slows down, and now it's your fault that the household has no water. Let's face it, with any kind of whole house water filter, UV system, or reverse osmosis drinking water system, you'll need to replace those filters at some point. When that time comes, often there's some confusion about exactly which filters you need, where to get them, and when. Then when you finally figure it all out, you purchase the filters, hopefully get it right, and then forget about it until you go through the whole routine again next year. We've solved all of that for you with our super easy subscription service. You just order your replacement filters and UV lamps, and then instead of just ordering one set, subscribe to get the same filters every 6, 12, or 24 months, so that when you need them, you've got them, and you get them at a discount. Also, the arrival of those filters reminds you when it's time to get that service done. It's super easy. All you need to do is go to our websites, waterestore.com in the US or waterestore.ca in Canada. We offer free shipping and discount pricing. And then you just find your filters and see where it says over here, subscribe and save. You just click subscribe and save, and then you can see the different frequencies down here. So you can go every 6 months, every 12 months, or every 24 months. So in a situation like this, you might have a lot of dirt in your water, so you need to change the filters twice a year. So you'd go with every 6 months. When you've selected every 6 months, you just go to add to cart. Now that reduced price will show up on your add to cart. In this case, we're on the US website, and then all you do is just press checkout. Now this checkout here asks you if you want to add an extra filter because you've got more dirt in your water, but you may say no thanks, and then you finish checking out for this product. So once you've ordered and subscribed, then you can maintain it at any time. So all you do is just log in up here, add your email address, and once you've logged in, you can see your history of what you've ordered, and then go to My Subscriptions, click on that. And then it'll load your subscriptions here. It'll show you your subscriptions, but it'll also give you more information. It'll tell you when your next order is coming out. It'll tell you what it is, the shipping address in case you've moved and you need to change it. But in case you need to do that, then you can edit this information through here, and you can totally maintain that by yourself. Obviously, if you have any questions, you can always contact us. Now you can spread the word telling your friends and family members how smart you are. What? Not exactly sure what filters you need? No problem. Just email us pictures of your filter housing, UV light, or reverse osmosis systems, and we'll make recommendations. All you do is email us at info@waterestore.com, whether you're in Canada or the US. Click up here for your next video on water filtration, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.